Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your Facebook friends on TikTok. I'm going to show you guys how you can find all your Facebook friends on TikTok and you'll be able to follow them and also you'll be able to communicate with them on TikTok. So guys, if you want to know how to do this, make sure you follow me to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to make sure that you're using the updated version of TikTok. Make sure your TikTok is updated. So guys, if you're using the updated version of TikTok, what you have to do now is to open your TikTok app. So let me open my TikTok app right away. So guys, once you open up your TikTok app, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. You can see down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, right here, what you have to do now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on the third option. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. It's written settings and privacy. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option under the account section. You can see there is written privacy. You can see there privacy, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the privacy, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written sync contacts and Facebook friends. You can see there sync contacts and Facebook friends, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the sync contacts and Facebook friends, you're going to see that we have two sections there. The first one is for the contact section, while the second one below is for Facebook friends. You can see there, you can see that encircled area for Facebook friends. So guys, what you have to do now is to toggle on or turn on the sync Facebook friends for you to be able to see your Facebook friends on TikTok. So guys, let me go ahead now to turn on the sync Facebook friends. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it to turn it on. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, after turning on your sync Facebook friends, the next step that you have to take now is actually to find your Facebook friends here on TikTok. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you how you can do it. So let me go back now right away. Let me go back. So guys, you can see I'm on my TikTok profile again. So guys, let me show you guys how you can actually find your Facebook friends here on TikTok. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the add friend icon. You can see that contact icon, the plus icon there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. It's just next to the share profile icon. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. What you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is written Facebook friends. You can see there it's been encircled. You can see it Facebook friends. So guys, what you have to do right away now in order to find your Facebook friends is to tap on the button where it is written find next to the Facebook friends. So guys can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see what is written here. Let me get to read it out. Give TikTok access to your Facebook friends list and email. This will be used to improve TikTok experience, including connecting you with people you may know, people you share connection with on Facebook, and personalizing your ads. So guys can see what you have to do now is to tap on OK. So guys can see now it's searching out our Facebook friends. So guys can see our Facebook friends. You can see that we have so many lists of our Facebook friends here. You can see these are all the Facebook friends that I have. You can see now they are now appearing on TikTok. So guys, if you actually want to follow all these your Facebook friends, what you have to do now is to tap on the follow button. Whichever person that you want to follow right here, that is your Facebook friends, what you have to do now is to tap on follow. So guys, let me show you guys an example. Let me tap on follow right away. Let me tap on follow on this one. You can see I'm following this one. Let me follow this as well. Let me follow this. So you guys can see this is how you can actually find your Facebook friends on TikTok, and this is how you can actually follow your Facebook friends on TikTok. So guys, I believe I've been able to show you guys how you can find your Facebook friends on TikTok and how you can actually follow them. So guys, if you got value from this, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.